Hi, Stephen from Maginn's here. I just wanted to show you a little bit today about the Altendorf WA8X panel saw. This is a machine that we've just taken 10 units in for stock, and it's available for immediate delivery. So I'll give you a little walk through the machine to explain the features. The machine that we carry normally is exactly as you see it here on the floor. It's got a 3.2 meter sliding table. Okay, Altendorf, Spain is for their sliding table, and they use the same sliding table through the whole range from WA6 right up through WA8 into the F45 range. Okay, so basically the sliding table runs on hardened chrome bars underneath here and on the underside of the table itself with a sub roller between it. Lots of people have copied this at this stage, but Altendorf were the originators. They made the best one, and it stays that good forever. Okay, so it's a 3.2 meter sliding table, as I said. On the X version, the Rip Fence is automated, which makes a massive difference to any panel saw. We always tell people, if you're buying a panel saw, no matter what kind of panel saws it is, you should really consider an automatic Rip Fence. It means that the operator never has to really walk around to the right hand side of the saw, and the production goes up maybe about 20%. Also, the accuracy is there. You don't have to check anything with a tape measure. You type in, I don't know, say 450 millimeters here, hit start, and it's 450 millimeters. It's absolutely perfect. Okay, so the machine has, as I said, the automatic Rip Fence. It also has electric rise, fall, and tilt of the main blade and also the scoring blade. All right. What else does the machine have? We bring it in the standard with this short miter fence, which we can detach or attach. Okay, just a handle there to loosen there, and there you can take it off. And then the crosscut fence here is fixed at 90 degrees and will extend out to 3.2 meters as well. Okay, so as I said, WA8X, 3.2 meter sliding table, 1300 millimeters out to the Rip Fence, automatic rise, fall, and tilt to the blades. Okay. And as I said, we have 10 machines in stock available for immediate delivery. So as I said, we have 10 units available for stock, as you can see. Give us a call, it's 014504111. Email info@maginn.ie. Okay, you can talk to any of the sales team. We can also help you arrange finance if you want. And yeah, we'd be delighted to hear from you. Thank you.